A significant winter storm named Nyla is set to impact the Midwest from Tuesday through Thursday. On Wednesday, we'll see a bomb cyclone rapidly developing, bringing intense blizzard conditions. Expect heavy snowfall, with up to a foot across the Midwest and potentially 2 to 3 feet in the Rockies. The highest peaks in Colorado and Wyoming will bear the brunt of this storm. Travel delays are likely from Kansas to Nebraska, Iowa to Minnesota as conditions deteriorate rapidly. This storm is part of an active weather pattern following a severe outbreak just days ago. A pronounced wave is moving from the west coast, crossing the Rockies and intensifying over the Great Plains. By Wednesday, central pressure could drop to near 985 mbar, leading to significant snow blizzards. Stay alert and prepare for challenging weather as winter storm Nyla unfolds. Cold weather is on the move, trailing behind the winter storm Nyla. By midday Wednesday, Nyla will hit its peak intensity, but don't get too comfortable. It's set to weaken as it drifts across the Great Lakes into southeast Canada. As the system pushes south, brace yourselves. The southeast United States is about to feel a significant chill. By Thursday evening, temperatures will plummet to 10 degrees below normal, with the Gulf Coast experiencing a similar drop. Florida, usually basking in warmth, will wake up Friday morning to a shocking 15 degrees colder than average. It's a stark reminder that winter isn't done with us yet. Keep an eye on the forecast as we track these changes closely. Stay warm out there. A significant amount of fresh snow is on the way for the central Rockies as a frontal system sweeps through on Monday and Tuesday. By Wednesday, we can expect a swath of deep snow stretching from western Kansas to eastern Nebraska, western Iowa, and into southern Minnesota and Wisconsin. Around a foot of new snow by Wednesday night, with severe winds creating high snow drifts and blizzard conditions. This storm will push heavy snow into southern Ontario, Canada by Thursday. The temperature chart shows strong winds moving into the cold sector behind the surface low, especially across the northern Great Plains. The tight ISO lanes in the yellow zone indicate that this blizzard will be intense. Prepare for significant traffic disruptions, as heavy snow and near zero visibility from blowing snow will make travel treacherous. Stay safe out there. Early Wednesday morning, Storm Nyla will be sweeping across eastern Kansas, bringing with it a cold air mass that's moving in from the northern plains. As we shift to the cold side of this winter storm, snowfall will ramp up significantly across Kansas and Nebraska, stretching into western Iowa. Expect blizzard conditions to intensify from northern Kansas through eastern Nebraska, all the way to southern Minnesota and northern Wisconsin. The winds will be fierce, creating near zero visibility as the snow piles up. In the aftermath of this deep low, a much colder air mass will sweep down from the north, creating a stark contrast with the warmer conditions to the east of the cyclone. This means wild and rapidly changing weather across the Midwest on Wednesday. The central Great Plains and Mississippi Valley will feel the chill, with real field temperatures dropping due to those strong winds. Meanwhile, further east, a surprisingly warm Wednesday awaits across the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and Northeast United States, all thanks to warm air surging in from the south. Buckle up. It's going to be a wild ride. A deep upper wave is set to make its mark as it moves east from the west coast, crossing the Rockies late Monday and Tuesday. By early Wednesday, it will emerge over the Great Plains, kicking off the rapid development of winter storm Nyla. This storm is no ordinary weather event. A significant cold core will form, creating a sharp pressure and temperature gradient that will be felt right down to the ground. As the surface low takes shape over Nebraska and Kansas, it will quickly intensify, dropping its central pressure and transforming into a powerful winter storm. By Wednesday morning, we could see that pressure plummet to around 985 mbar or even lower. The most severe weather will be on the cold side of the low, bringing heavy snow and strong winds as it moves east across the Midwest towards the western Great Lakes. Prepare for a wild winter ride. A significant winter storm named Nino is set to impact the Midwest from Tuesday through Thursday. On Wednesday, we'll see a bomb cyclone rapidly developing, bringing intense blizzard conditions. Expect heavy snowfall, with up to a foot across the Midwest and potentially 2 to 3 feet in the Rockies. The highest peaks in Colorado and Wyoming will bear the brunt of this storm. Travel delays are likely from Kansas to Nebraska, Iowa to Minnesota as conditions deteriorate rapidly. This storm is part of an active weather pattern following a severe outbreak just days ago. A pronounced wave is moving from the west coast, crossing the Rockies and intensifying over the Great Plains. By Wednesday, central pressure could drop to near 985 mbar, leading to significant snow blizzards. Stay alert and prepare for challenging weather as winter storm Nino unfolds.